Here are the top 5 color palettes, or color combinations, for your toilet and bath, along with materials to inspire your makeover. Each combination is designed to create a specific mood and style, so you can find the perfect fit for your space. Number 1. Soft Beige. Soft beige brings a warm and inviting feel to your bathroom. This palette uses beige wall paint or tiles, complemented by wood near beige flooring and white fixtures. It's a great choice if you want a calm and cozy bathroom. For the walls, beige tiles or paint will give a gentle and soothing backdrop. Pair these with white water closet and lavatory. Wooden cabinets or shelves in a light or medium wood tone will blend beautifully with the beige, adding warmth and texture. A touch of greenery can enhance this palette, making the bathroom feel more alive and fresh. Consider plants like eucalyptus or spider plants, which are low maintenance. A round or oval mirror with a wooden frame can add to the overall softness and warmth. Accessories like beige towels or a wooden bath mat will complete the look, ensuring everything feels harmonious. Number 2. Modern Monochrome. For a sleek and stylish look, consider a modern monochrome bathroom. Using black, white, and gray can create a sophisticated and contemporary space. This palette is perfect if you want a bathroom that feels modern and chic. Black or dark gray wall tiles can add depth and drama to your bathroom. Consider using large tiles for a sleek, modern look. Pair these with white fixtures to create a striking contrast. A modern wall-mounted sink or a freestanding bathtub in white can add a touch of luxury. Cabinets in black or dark gray can blend seamlessly with the walls, creating a cohesive look. Choose simple, minimalist designs to keep the look clean and uncluttered. Adding greenery can bring a bit of life to your monochrome bathroom. Plants like ferns or succulents can add a fresh touch without overwhelming the space. Number 3. Crisp White. A crisp white palette is all about creating a clean, bright, and refreshing bathroom. White walls or tiles form the basis of this look, giving your bathroom a pristine and open feel. This palette is ideal if you want your bathroom to feel spacious and uncluttered. For the walls, white tiles are an excellent choice. Pair these with white fixtures to maintain a seamless and cohesive look. Adding a little wood, such as light oak cabinets or shelves, introduces a bit of warmth without disrupting the clean aesthetic. To enhance this palette, think about adding some greenery. Plants like aloe vera or pothos can thrive in bathroom conditions and add a lovely natural touch. Consider installing a frameless mirror to keep the focus on the crisp white surroundings. A few tasteful accessories like a wooden stool or basket can add functional beauty to the space. Number 4. Dark and Moody. Choosing a dark and moody palette for your bathroom can create a sophisticated and dramatic atmosphere. You'll use shades like black, gray, and dark wood, balanced with white furniture to avoid making the space feel too enclosed. This palette is perfect if you want your bathroom to feel like a private and elegant. For the walls, consider using dark gray tiles, or a combination of black and gray for a more textured look. This will create a strong, stylish backdrop. Your fixtures, such as sinks and bathtubs, should be white to contrast the dark walls and make them pop. Dark wood cabinets will add warmth and depth, providing a rich, luxurious feel. To complete the look, incorporate tricolor lights. These lights can switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones, allowing you to change the mood as needed. Adding a large mirror can help to reflect light and make the space feel bigger. A few green plants like ferns or snake plants will add a touch of freshness and break up the dark tones nicely. Number 5. Spa Blue. Spa Blue is perfect for creating a relaxing and serene bathroom. Combining blue with white fixtures and light beige or wood flooring creates a spa-like atmosphere. This palette is great if you want your bathroom to be a peaceful escape. For the walls, light blue tiles or paint can create a soothing backdrop reminiscent of water and sky. White fixtures like sinks and bathtubs will keep the space feeling fresh and clean. Light beige or wood flooring pairs well with blue, adding warmth and grounding the space. Adding some greenery can further enhance the spa-like feel. Plants like bamboo or peace lilies are excellent choices as they thrive in humid conditions. A large mirror with a sleek modern frame will help reflect light and make the space feel larger. Consider using blue or white towels and accessories to keep the look cohesive and calming. Check out the link in the description below for products that can help you achieve this look. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.